Hey guys, here I am on Hurricane Ridge. The hope for today and tomorrow is to build a snow cave and then sleep over. After hiking about 1.5 miles, we found the perfect place to build the snow caves. And because there actually isn't that much snow in this particular area, I'm going to try to build a snow trench. So as you can see, I've already started. I have the block face ready to cut, and I've packed down all that snow over an hour ago. So it should be very solidified now. As you can see, I've started cutting the blocks. I tried to cut the blocks vertically, like most people do. However, the snowpack had lines through it where it had frozen and thawed multiple times, so that did not work. So what I'm going to do now is cut the blocks. As you can see, where I pack the snow down on the surface, I'm cutting them horizontally. And then after I cut blocks for one side of the trench, I'm cutting the blocks from packed snow underneath those blocks. Now it is time to remove the next block. As you can see, it's a very nice one. Now that I have all the blocks cut, I can start laying them over the top in a triangle shape. Hey guys, I finished my snow cave. Now, as you can see, it's pretty nice in here. I'm only in shorts and short sleeves, so it's definitely keeping me warm. And even though it kind of looks like there's a big opening at the end, it's actually just all my stuff back there because I laid my backpack against the entrance. Also, another really cool thing about my cave is my little candle to help keep me warm and act as a nightlight. This is what it looks like without my other light. See you in the morning. Before I show you the exterior of mine in the daylight, I'm going to show you some of the other snow caves from people in my party. So as you can see, this one, the entrance is dug down really far. And this is actually more like a snow cave rather than the snow trench I made. As you can see, it has a nice cold sink to keep the hot air in. And it has a nice little tree in the back to almost act as a support. Another one of the snow caves is a little too small for my comfort. As you can see, it was dug beside a fallen tree. And I would definitely feel claustrophobic in here. There isn't very much room. And finally, I'll show you mine. As you can see, it's the most exposed of all the snow caves because about 2/3 of it is above ground due to my snow trench construction. As we come inside, you can see just how long it is up there. Mine was definitely the biggest on the inside. And to off-put some of that space to heat up, as you saw last night, I had the candle sitting there, and then my air hole. Now, in case you were wondering how strong a structure like this, built from snow, is, I will demonstrate by walking on the roof. So as you can see, I'm standing on the roof of my snow cave, and it's not collapsing. Unfortunately, all good things have to come to the end, and we're required to collapse our snow caves after we build them. So here goes. There we go, all destroyed.